How to set up a passkey for an easier login on TikTok. So if you want to set up a passkey for an easier login on TikTok, then first you need to open up your TikTok application. Once you've opened up your TikTok, now you need to go for the profile, which is on the bottom right. Once you're on the profile, go for the upper right, which has that three-dot icon. Tap on settings and privacy. Once you tap on settings and privacy, you need to go for the option which is account, and then here you will have an option of passkey. So if you don't have the option of passkey, then that means your account is not up to date. So simply go for the Play Store or your App Store and update your application, and once you've updated, you will have the option of passkey. So simply tap on passkey and then tap on setup, which is on the bottom of your screen, and then tap on continue, which is again on the bottom right, and then you can tap on use screen lock, and you need to enter your fingerprint or your face lock or any screen lock that you are comfortable with, and that's it. That's how you can set up a passkey for an easier login on TikTok. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.